Today, the NanoClub at Salt Lake Community College is demonstrating a lab which is developed here on campus. This lab is the creation of nanogrids on glass substrates. This process is an alternative method that can be used to create transparent, conductive electrodes with conductivity similar to that of indium tin oxide. So this is the substrate preparation for the nanogrids. Here we have our glass substrates that were cut using a glass cutter on microscope slides. Using a compact disc, we used a PVP solution to create stamps so that we have the grid that's on the back of the CD on our stamps. In order to clean them, we take a beaker of alcohol and put our substrates and our PVP stamps in there, and then we put them in the sonicator to be sonicated for 5 minutes. Oops.
Okay, now we're moving on to the microcontact printing portion of the lab. We're going to use laptop fans for our spin coater. You apply a piece of two-sided tape to the fan. Okay, after we get the two-sided tape applied, we grab a PDMS stamp, put it on the spinner, and we apply our PVP, and we spin for about 15 seconds. When it's done spinning, carefully flip it over, applying it to the glass, firmly press down for about 5 seconds. You then slowly peel the PDMS stamp off of the glass substrate. After doing our first stamp, we will use a clean PDMS stamp and repeat the process. This time, after removing the stamp, you will turn it 90 degrees from your previous stamp. Press down firmly for a few seconds. Slowly peel the stamp off of the glass, and you should have a grid.
Okay, this is the sputter coating stage of the experiment. This is to put a thin discontinuous coating of copper on top of our sample so that it does not wash away the PVP grid. So we're going to take our sample right here and put it on inside of our sputter coater right here. And then we're going to flip this mechanism down. And then we're going to start it.
Okay, next we're going to move on to our metallization part of the experiment. We are going to take 1 ml of silver nitrate and 1 ml of sodium citrate. We're going to add it. Okay, after combining the solutions, we will add our piece of glass that was just sputter coated. And then lowering into the boiling water for about 5 minutes. While it's taking its bath, you will see that the diffraction pattern, it becomes more pronounced during that heating process due to the reduction of silver ions near the PVP grid. So we will take this out. And then carefully dip in deionized water a few times to rinse it off. And then with canned air, dry it. This is the diffraction pattern that becomes pronounced after the heating process.